Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Paul Radio Man 2094 here. Back again with another video, of course. And today we're gonna test out Dolby Atmos on the Samsung Galaxy A10e. So yeah, that's the key feature of this video, using Dolby Atmos. And then for my test, I'm gonna be using some regular earbuds to test out Dolby Atmos, like these little JVC ones right here. And then my headphones of 2019, the JBL Tune 500 BT, the wireless headphones. So test these out with wired headphones and then wireless headphones. So, alright, now let's get right into it, y'all. Enjoy the video. Alright, y'all, so before we get started, like I said, here's my JVC earbuds right here. And then I got my play and pause keys right here. And then now let's connect these to the phone. To the headphone jack, of course. Apple, pay attention. This is how you want to listen to music. Yada, yada, yada. Alright, now let's get started. And then another thing before I get started, let me go scroll down real quick and let's turn on Dolby Atmos just to make sure this is on. Oop. Alright, let's do it like this. Alright, there we go. But you could do it either way though, like from there or go to the app itself. And then watch, let me take it over there real fast so it could go over the key features. So of course you got auto, so you can listen to music and stuff and digital surround sound, and for whenever you're watching a movie. And then you got your music right there, and then your voice makes voices loud and clear. So those are all good key features to have on this phone, so I have all those at my leisure. That's the good feeling about having Dolby Atmos on a budget phone, and then DTS:X 3D sound like on the LG devices now today. But the key feature we're talking about here is Dolby Atmos, so let's just talk about Dolby Atmos. Alright, and then you got your equalizer, of course. So I got normal, pop, classic, jazz, rock, and custom. So probably just for that, I'll just try out. Yeah, I'll just leave it on normal. But alright, now let's take a look at the music real quick. I'm gonna take it over to YouTube Music, and then I'll be playing a song. So, babe, I got a treat for you. A song that I'm going to be dedicating to you, so let's watch it and find out. Alright, stand by. Alright, y'all, so I got a song queued up. I got Blake Shelton, Nobody But You. It's a duet with Gwen Stefani. It's a song I'm going to be dedicating to my girlfriend because she got me into this song, and she thanks me with this song, and I'm dedicating this one to her. So shout out to my beautiful and sexy girlfriend Marla Eiler Salas, of course. So, and then I have max volume, so let's alright, one tap playing balls on the earbuds. Okay. Okay. Hey, you don't look like me. I don't want to live without you. I don't want to face in the face. Want to think about you. And it makes to me. When I throw down, I throw down, I go to you. You don't lie about you. Okay. One tap, playing pause. One tap, playing pause. Let me tell you all the good news. Now, when you plug in headphones using Dolby Atmos, it sounds a lot better than what it sounded on the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit. It sounds a lot clearer, a lot louder on max volume, of course. I was all getting all hyped in the background and stuff. I was trying to sing. I couldn't even hear me sing because these earbuds have noise isolation and stuff. But this is a good song though. You guys got to check out this song, "Nobody But You." It's a duet with Gwen Stefani by Blake Shelton. So you guys got to check out this song and stuff. That song is the truth right there. But using Dolby Atmos with regular headphones is the truth, y'all. Is the truth. Alright, I want to test out a couple more songs real quick. Let's try a couple different genres. This is country right here, so let's try out a different couple genres real fast, and we'll be right back. Alright, stand by, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I got a regular song queued up on my regular music player, the Samsung music player. Now, just one thing I wanted to clarify real quick before I start. Of course, Samsung Music, because I know some of these new Samsung Galaxy phones that are coming out, they don't have like the music player installed. So if you download Samsung Music, you could use this as your normal music player for your Galaxy phones and stuff. But I think you can get it on other Android phones too, but I'll have to get back to you guys on that later. But alright, I have like a song queued up right here. I got Macklemore and Ryan Lewis, "Can't Hold Us" featuring Ray Dalton queued up. So let's one tap, play, and pause, and let's hear the sound. Oh, all right, okay, all right, okay, right, okay. The Mac, he raps all fast, yo. I just up and copy and moonwalking events here is a party. My posse's brand on Broadway and did it all way. Pro music. Should put my bones to everything I record to it. Oh, got the stage life, got to shine on down. Got that bar barking supreme on the Sal money. Woo! Definitely sounds a lot clearer now. Listen for yourself. Woo! Labels out here. Yeah, nothing. People spread across the country. It's out here. Hey, tell me nothing. I give it to the people spread across the country. Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, till we put our hands up. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We fight till it's over, so we put our hands up. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Okay, one tap, play, and pause. One tap, play, and pause. Now, it sounds pretty good with this song right here. I want to test out a couple more songs real fast. And then see how it actually sounds just with the Dolby Atmos with the headphones. Of course, I still have my headphones, and it sounds pretty awesome on the headphones, though, just by itself. But, alright, let's do a couple more songs, and then we'll move on. Alright, stand by. Alright, now let's listen to how it sounds while listening to dubstep using connected headphones, using Dolby Atmos. I got Zed Clarity featuring Foxes queued up. So, alright, one tap, play, and pause, and let's see how they sound. Or let's hear how they sound. You get my point, though. Alright, one tap, play, and pause. In the frozen waves, and the past comes back to life. Sad failed and the selfish pain is worth it every time. Even hear it for yourself. 'Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Tasting relentlessly, still fine, and I don't know why. I don't know this tragedy. Why are you my remedy? If I love this agony, why are you my clarity? Woohoo! Yo! If I love this tragedy, why are you my remedy? If I love this sanity, why are you my clarity? Alright, one tap, play and pause, one tap, play and pause. Bro. Now it sounds pretty good with this song right here too. Check out Clarity featuring Foxes by Zed. Good song to listen to if you're into that dubstep life. And then watch. Let me take it into another song real fast. Let's see how it would be like with like maximum bass. We'll take it over to DJ Snake and Aluna George. You know you like it. Some days I say no way. Try again another day. I should be happy, no tipping the scales. I should be playing in my life getaway. I'm a fool, I'm not a follower. I just want things as they come. If they bring me down, I then be cruel. If you're a dreamer, I just wanna have some fun. Don't tell me what could be done. And that's insane. No, the make the man's insane. You're gonna make the way sad as shade. What you want, what you gonna do? You know you like it, and it's insane. Wondering the note, you know it feels same. You like your pride insane. What you want, what you gonna do? Dup 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 dup. Woo! All right, one tap, play and pause. Now I think Dolby Atmos now today on these 2019 Samsung Galaxy budget phones are on the new Note 10, Note 10 Plus, S10, S10 Plus, S10 5G, S10e. Improved a lot. Definitely improved a lot. But yeah, this is the truth right here. Say if you got like dollar store headphones and stuff, if they don't sound that great, just plug them into your phone and then turn on Dolby Atmos and you can listen to music with high quality sound. I mean, depends on some of the headphones you get, but it'll work flawlessly though. So I'm gonna have to buy a pair for myself and try it out in the future. But alright, now let's take a look at how it is whenever you're watching a YouTube video real quick. Alright, stand by. Now let's test out how it sounds on YouTube using headphones with Dolby Atmos real quick. So I got my usual vlog queued up, so one tap, play and pause. Let's see it. Full screen. Okay, yeah, I'm using my hotspot on my phone, but you get the point though. It sounds pretty good though whenever I first did the video part. Whenever the video first started. But just to be safe though, let's just fast forward it again. Watch, give me just a second, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna do this quick, so one tap, play, and pause, and let's listen to the sound real fast. Now the music coming from the earbuds though, the one from my video, sounds pretty awesome with the Dolby Atmos sound. But you got my point though, it definitely sounds awesome. So, alright. Now let's do a few more things real quick and then we'll wrap it up. Alright, now let's check Dolby Atmos using some wireless headphones. So I got these all paired up, so now we can get started. Alright, I got my JBL Tune 500 headphones on my ears. So I got another song queued up right here. Got Eminem Darkness off of the Music to Be Murdered By album, which is a great album that came out this year. Earlier before my birthday. It is what it is, but it's a dope album though. Alright, one tap, play, and pause, and let's listen to how they sound using wireless headphones using Dolby Atmos. Alright, let's play and pause. I don't wanna be alone in the darkness. I don't wanna be alone in the darkness. I don't wanna be alone in the darkness anymore. Care for yourself, Professor. Definitely extra bass in these JBL Tune 500 headphones. I have a lot of bass too. Million caps. It better be off of vodka. Alright. Now let's do one more song real quick. Alright, stand by. Alright, I got some Tyga queued up. Far Away featuring Chris Richardson. So one tap, playing pause, and let's see how they sound. Ooh, walking 1,000 miles just to see her, 'cause she's so far away, and I'd do anything just to see her face, 'cause she's so far away. Walk 1,000 miles just to see her smile again. Woo! Thanks, my boy. Right. These sound really good. One tap, play, and pause, yo. Man, I like how these sound. Just like with the headphones itself. Even with that last song by Eminem called Darkness. And then this song right here. Alright, just for the hell of it, let's just do one more real quick and then we'll wrap it up. But we'll do the video part real fast and then we'll wrap stuff up, okay? Alright, stand by. Alright, I got some Deadmau5 queued up. I Remember by Deadmau5 and Cascade. So one tap, play, and pause. Let's see how they sound with Dolby Atmos. He's listening to dubstep. I could feel the bass. Let's make sure max volume's up. Okay, it's up. Waiting for that bass to drop. Definitely a dope song, though. I love this song. Woo! Oh, that sounds pretty clear. Alright, one tap, play, and pause. One tap, play, and pause. Now it definitely sounds dope when you're listening to dubstep music, though. I'll give it that. Alright, now let's move on. Okay, so it's loading up right now, but here's my same vlog right here. Let's fast forward, though. Ah. There we go. Drop test. Now it sounds pretty good because I've heard it for a second, so yeah, it definitely sounds pretty good. But I'm using my Wi-Fi hotspot for this phone, so it is what it is, yo. Alright, let's wrap this up. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this 100 with the Dolby Atmos on this phone. It's definitely incredible. I tell you what, it's definitely incredible. With the wired headphones and then with Bluetooth. I could go either way with both of these, though, with using Dolby Atmos on this phone. So they definitely sound incredible, and then you got your EQ settings and stuff. But yeah, I'm giving this a definite A+, 100%. Thumbs up, yo. Thumbs up. But anyways, this has been the test for the Dolby Atmos on the Samsung Galaxy A10e. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this video. And hit me up in the comments as well if you guys want me to check out anything in the future. But you know how I do, though. But anyways, guys, I'm out. So here's me one more time. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. me testing out Dolby Atmos on wireless headphones or wired headphones. And of course, my initial impressions, thumbs up to that, yo. Definitely sounds awesome. A lot better than the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit. This one improved a lot. For a budget phone for $80, definitely incredible, yo. Definitely incredible. But anyways, guys, this has been the testing using Dolby Atmos using the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit. Or not the J3 Orbit, but the A10e. The A10e. There's so many of those Galaxy phones, I can't fucking name them all, but you get my point, though. This has been the Dolby Atmos test using the Samsung Galaxy A10e. I'm Paul, Radio Man 2094. I'm out, yo. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, Radio Man 2094. And of course, find me on Facebook, Paul Lyons. And then my Instagram is Radio Man 2094. And then TikTok is Paul2094. And then my Snapchat is Paul Lyons 20941. But anywho, know how I do. I'm Paul, Radio Man 2094. I'm out. See you guys in the next video, yo.